Welcome grade 4. This is lesson 12.2 customary units of lengths. In your book page 649 you will find this table. We have here customary units of lengths. We have 1 foot equals 12 inches, 1 yard equals 3 feet, 1 yard also equals 36 inches. So we have to memorize it well by heart to solve it, to convert from one unit to another. Here we have in number 1, we will compare the size of a yard to the size of a foot. We will use this model to see or to visualize the difference, which is greater, which is less. Here we have this is 1 yard, and we know that 1 yard equals 3 feet. So each square here represents 1 foot. Okay, so we make it smaller. So h squared equals to 1 foot. Here, so 1 foot again, and the third one. Okay, so 1 yard is this 3 times as long as 1 foot. Okay, so each 1 yard consists of 3 feet. Let's complete together. Number 2 here we have 2 feet. We want to know how many inches in 2 feet. We know 1 feet equals 12 inches. So it means 12 and 12. 12 plus 12. And instead of adding, we can say 2 times 12 directly. So it will be 2 times 12, which is 24 inches. Here we have 3 yards. We want to know how many feet in 3 yards. We know 1 yard only equals, 3 feet. You can return back each time to your table to memorize it well. And you can also use the sheet that I sent it for you to help you in solving these problems. Okay, so 3 yards again. We will add 3 and 3 and 3, which means 3 times 3 equals 9. So you can notice that in case the yard greater than 1 foot. Okay, so from big to small we will multiply. From big unit to small one we will multiply. Okay, here we have 7 yards and we want to know how many feet in 7 yards. From big to small we will multiply. So we multiply by what? So I have 3 feet in 1 yard only. What about 7 yards? Okay, and instead of adding 3 7 times, which is repeated addition, we will replace it by multiplication to be 3 times 7, which is 21 feet. Okay, so here on your own you will solve 5, 6, and 7. And let's solve together number 8, 9, and 10. Here we will compare using less than, greater than, or equal to. Number 8 I have 1 foot and on the other side 13 inches. So when in case of comparing two different units, we have to convert one to the other one. To compare two same amounts to make it easy for us to compare well. Okay, we have 1 foot. We know from this table is 1 foot equals 12 inches. So I can write here 12 inches to be easy for me to compare 12 and 13 inches. Of course, 13 is greater, so you will write greater than. Okay. Number 9, we have 2 yards and 6 feet. Okay, let's see how many feet in 2 yards. We know 1 yard equals 3 feet. So 2 yards, it means 2 times 3, which is 6 feet, and 6 feet, they are, yes, equal. Number 10, we have 6 feet and 60 inches. So how many inches in 1 foot? We have 12 inches. So what about 6 times 12? Okay, you can do it in your draft. You will find it 72. So of course 72 inches greater than 60 inches. Right here, right here. Okay, now we have customary units of weight. Lesson 12.3, page 655. Again, here we have this table, but in this time for, okay, now this is page 655. We have customary units of weight. We have here 1 pound equals 16 ounces, and 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. Pound, ton, ounces, they are units for weight in the customary system. Okay, so this means pound greater than ounces, because just 1 pound, 1 from this unit, which is pound, equals 16 of this unit, which is ounces. So which is greater? Of course, 1 pound. And also 1 ton equals 2,000. So 2,000 pounds, okay? So also from big to small, don't forget to multiply. From when we want to convert from big unit to small one, we will multiply. Multiply by what? By the number here in the table. You can use it to make it reference for you if you cannot memorize it. It's okay. So let's see. We have 4 tons here equals. So let's see how many pounds in 4 tons. From this table we know 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. So if we have 4 tons, so you will multiply 4 times 2,000. Okay, it's too easy. We know before multiplying by multiples of tens. We will multiply 4 and 2, which is 8. And we will drop the 3 zeros to be 8,000. Okay, let's complete. In number 2, we have 5 tons equals. Let's see how many pounds in 5 tons. Again, we have here 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. What about 5? Means 2,000 plus 2,000 plus 2,000 5 times. So we will multiply directly. 5 times 2, which is 10. And we have already 3 zeros to be 10,000 pounds. Number 3, we have 6 pounds. We want to know how many ounces in 6 pounds. Okay, pound greater than ounces. We have 16 ounces in 1 pound. What about 6 pounds? We will multiply 6 times 16. In your draft, you will find it, yes, 96. 96 ounces. Okay, it's too easy. You can use this table again in the conversation here. Make sure from your answers, when you will multiply numbers together, you must use draft in your paper or in your book, in your copybook, to make it easy for you and correct also. And this part on your own, you will try to solve 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, finally today we will also know what are the customary units of liquid volume. This is lesson 12.4. Page 661. Also here, okay, here in page 661, we have the stable customary units of liquid volume. Let's see what do we have. We have here first 1 cup equals 8, 8 fluid ounces. 1 pint equals 2 cups. 1 quart equals 2 pints. Also 1 quart equals 4 cups. Here we have 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. 1 gallon equals 8 pints, or also 16 cups. So let's compare the size of quart to the size of pint using this model. Here we have, this is 1 quart as you see, and here we have here 1 pint and 1 pint, 2 pints, which means pint less than quart, or quart, 1 quart greater than 1 pint. So to convert from 1 quart using this unit to this, from big to small, we will multiply. 1 quart is 2 times as much as 1 pint. Okay, again, let's complete. We have 2 pints equals, from where I got this 4, I know that 1 pint equals 2 cups. So 2 pints, 2 times 2 equals 4. Number 3, we have 3 gallons. How many quarts in 3 gallons? Let's look here, searching for gallons and quarts. This one. So here I have 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. So if I have 3 gallons, it means 4 and 4 and 4. 3 times 4, which is 12. Okay, number 4, we have 6 quarts equals how many cups? Let's search for quarts and cups. This one. 1 quart, 1 quart equals 4 cups. What about 6 quarts? We have to multiply 6 times 4, which is 24 cups. Okay, you can solve from 5 till 9 on your own. You can use this table and just search for the units that you have, and then remember to multiply when you convert from a big unit to small one. You have to multiply. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, inshallah.